Next one is a very important question which you're going to see is about the nuclear reactor. Yes, so this nuclear reactor, it basically it is the concept of nuclear fission. Yes, and this nuclear fission will happen in the self-sustained and controlled manner. It does not spread actually, but it just happens inside the container in a controlled manner. The first nuclear reactor was built in 1942 in Chicago, USA by physicist Enrico Fermi. The main parts of the nuclear reactors are, what are the main parts? Here is fuel, moderator and control rods. Okay, so these three are the very main parts of the nuclear reactor. What are they? Fuel, moderator and control rods. In addition to this, there is a cooling system which is connected with a power generation setup. Okay, so in addition to fuel, moderator and control rods, we also have a cooling system. Yes, first one, fuel. The fuel is a fissionable material, usually what we are using is uranium or plutonium. Naturally occurring uranium, it consists of 0.7% of uranium 235 and 99.3% of uranium 238. Okay, so natural uranium, if you consider, it has this much amount of uranium 235 and 99.3% of uranium 238. Uranium 238 can be enriched such that it has at least 2 to 4% of uranium 235. Yes, in addition to this, a neutron source is required to initiate the chain reaction for the first time. So first time the chain reaction நடக்கிறதுக்கு எப்பவுமே நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்? ஒரு நியூட்ரான். So அந்த நியூட்ரான் வந்து 235 ஓட பம்பார்ட் ஆகும்போது தான் நமக்கு chain reaction happens இல்லையா? So a mixture of beryllium with plutonium or polonium is used as a neutron source. So ஒரு நியூட்ரான் சோர்ஸ்க்காக என்ன பண்றோம்? ஒரு பெரிலியம் வந்து either with the plutonium or polonium we are going to mix. And during the fission of uranium 235, only fast neutrons are emitted, but the probability of initiating the fission is very slow. So starting la enna agudhu, this reaction is taking place in a very slow manner, so therefore slow neutrons are preferred. Okay, then so this is the experimental setup, and here are the control rods. So these are the control rods. Yes, and this black ones, they are the moderator, and this fully is a cooling system, and here is what we place with the fuel. Okay, so next is moderators. So moderator, what it does, it is used to convert fast neutrons to slow neutron. So moderator, so enna பண்ணுது, fast வந்து slow-வா convert பண்ணுது. Usually the moderators are chosen in such a way that it has light nucleus having the mass comparable to that of the neutron. So ஒரு moderator நம்ம choose பண்ணும்போது அதுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கணும், ஒரு light nucleus இருக்கணும், அப்புறம் அதோட mass வந்து equal to the neutron-ஆ இருக்கணும். Okay, and these light nuclei undergo collision with the fast neutrons and the speed of the neutron is reduced. Okay, so இந்த லைட் நியூக்ளியை என்ன பண்ணுது, ஃபாஸ்ட் நியூட்ரான்ஸோட இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி அது வந்து அதோட ஸ்பீடை வந்து கம்மி பண்ணிக்குது. ஸோ ஹியர் இஸ் வாட் வி யூஸ் வித் moderator. Okay, so this interacts with this has a shielding. Yes, and this interacts with the fast neutrons. Yes, here, and most of the reactors use water, heavy water and graphite as a moderator. So most of எதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்றோம், water, heavy water and graphite. So these are the three things we are using as a moderator. Then the blocks of uranium stacked together with the blocks of graphite to form a large pile. Okay, so ஒரு graphiteயும் uranium என்ன பண்றோம்னா ஒரு pile, that is continuously arrange பண்ணிட்டு அது வந்து நான் ஒரு moderator யூஸ் பண்றோம். Okay, clear? Then next one is control rods. So control rods அப்ப என்னது பண்ணுது, அது கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணுது. Okay, reaction rate that is used to adjust. Okay, during each fission an average of 2.5 neutrons, over fission அப்ப என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா 2.5 neutrons are emitted. So அதை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்றதுக்கு என்ன பண்றோம், only one neutron is allowed to cause another fission and the remaining neutrons are absorbed by the control rods. So அந்த neutrons, number of neutrons எத்தனை ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகுது, 2.5 neutrons ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகுது. இதில் நம்மளுக்கு 1 neutron தான் நம்மளுக்கு தேவை, மீதி neutrons எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுது, இந்த control rods absorb பண்ணிக்குது. Okay, and what are the control rods which is used is cadmium, boron. These are the mainly used control rods. Depending on the insertion of depth uranium into the uranium, the average number of neutrons produced per second is equal or greater than 1. Okay, and if the average number produced is equal to 1, then the reactor is said to be in the critical state. So number produced ஆனது வந்து 1 இருந்துச்சுன்னா then the whole reactor is in the critical state. In fact, all the reactors are maintained, all the nuclear reactors is mainly maintained in the critical state. ஏன்னா நம்மளுக்கு என்னதான் வேணும், 1 நியூட்ரான் தான் வேணும் எப்பவுமே. ஓகே, suppose if it is greater than 1, so 1 neutron இருந்தா அதுக்கு பேர் critical state. அதுவே நம்மளுக்கு greater than 1 இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு பேர் என்னது, super critical state. Okay, and it may explode sooner and may cause massive destruction. So suppose greater than 1 இருக்கும்போது அந்த whole arrangement என்ன ஆகும், நம்மளுக்கு வந்து distract ஆயிடும். Okay, so we have to prevent it by maintaining the number of neutrons to be 1, because only if it is equal to 1 it is in the critical state. If it is greater than 1 it is in the supercritical state. Yes, clear? Then next one is shielding. So what is meant by shielding is the protecting of the control rods as well as the moderators. Okay, for protection against the thermal harmful radiation, the nuclear reactor is surrounded by a concrete wall. So in the nuclear reactor full-ஆவே என்ன பண்றோம், ஒரு concrete wall-ஆல நம்ம வந்து shield பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். That concrete wall has a thickness, அதோட thickness of the wall எவ்வளவு இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is 2 to 2.5 meter. So 2 to 2.5 meter அளவுக்கு ஒரு concrete wall போட்டு அதை shield பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். Okay, then next one is cooling system. The cooling system removes the heat generated in the reactor core. So இங்க நம்மளுக்கு இருக்கும் ஒரு cooling system. So இங்க நம்மளுக்கு produce ஆகிற heat எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுதுன்னா இந்த cooling system remove பண்ணிருது. So what are the coolants we are using is ordinary water and heavy water and the liquid sodium. These are mainly used as a coolants. Okay, coolant அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம், that is used to cool this reaction which is taking place. Okay, why we are using with all this ordinary water, heavy water is because it has a very high specific heat capacity and large boiling point under high pressure. So high specific heat capacity இருக்கு, large boiling point இருக்கறனால நம்ம வந்து இந்த materials யூஸ் பண்றோம். This coolant passes through the fuel and it also blocks and carries away the heat. So இந்த coolant வந்து என்ன பண்ணுது, நம்மளுக்கு fuel வழியா பாஸ் பண்ணி அங்க இருக்கிற heat எல்லாம் it just takes it out. Okay, then the steam runs through the turbines which produces electricity. அந்த steam தான் என்ன பண்ணுது, turbine வழியா போகும்போது electricity-ய produce பண்ணுது. Okay, so this is how the construction and the working of the nuclear generator is being formed. Okay, yes, clear with this? Okay.